Hey guys, it's Anthony from the leasing office here at Stone Chase. Hey guys, you guys may have seen the work order. I wasn't ready. Hey guys, y'all may have seen the... Is it on? I don't see a flash. Hey guys, it's Anthony. Hope you guys are doing good. You guys may have seen the email that I sent out earlier this week about do-it-yourself work orders. Now, right now we're going to talk about garbage disposals. If there's ever a time where your disposal is jammed and it makes a humming noise, give us a call. We can walk you through it. We'll drop one of these off at your door. Simply what you do, you drop down. In the dead center, there's a little area where you can stick in the Allen wrench. You'll twist it around either way until there's no resistance. Once you do that, and it works. That's all you have to do. Give us a call.